All right, you guys. So this place is called Sheba Nails Supply, and this place is super close to my house. I didn't even know it existed until I Googled and I found it. I'm so happy because it's close, and if I run out of product when I'm doing my acrylic nails, I can run here and go get it. Most of the store is acrylic nail stuff like acrylic powders, brushes, nail tips, monomer, all that good stuff. But they also have stuff for gel nails and other things. They do not carry a lot of nail polish though. They have a little display of it once I go around the corner here, but that's about it. Other than that, they do have like a lot of nail art like tools like charms, nail foils, um, like containers you can store your stuff in. They have nail polish remover, thinner. They have a nail polish making kit, which I really want to get and try. I think I have a picture of it and I'll put it after this video. Make sure you stay tuned. There will be some more like kind of close-up pictures so you guys can kind of see. But yeah, I do want to grab that nail polish kit. It's awesome. And I think it was only like 24 bucks. But yeah, they have a lot of fun stuff in here. I've been here like 4 times. So maybe the next time I go back, I'll try to get a video a little bit more slow, maybe of all the nail art, charms and stuff that they have here. But yeah, this is a really cool place. I'm so happy that I finally found a nail store that I could just get in my car, drive to, and go grab some stuff. So yeah, again, this is Sheba Nails Supply. I know this is not sponsored. They did not pay me to do this. I just really wanted to share this with you guys because I was so excited about it. But if you guys want to order anything, ShebaNails.com. Can't remember if I said that. And this is about to end. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.